At some point in your life, you may find yourself joining a group of people known as those who are hard to shop for. Please make your membership dues payable to Bob's Workshop, or cash will work too. Ask my family and they'll confirm that I'm the group's current president. I'm not proud of that title. I try to be more gracious and open-minded, but my wife and kids can read me like an open book. This year, we all agreed to make the experience easier by creating lists. There was even a shared Google Doc involved that we started in late November, just after Thanksgiving. Here is one of the items from my list. It's a Lionel F-3 from Trains.com. I like the fact that Christmas gifts can include used items, because this is from the late 1970s or 1980s. If I remember correctly, this dummy unit was listed at about $51, and at that price point it was eligible for the Trains.com $10 discount. That pretty much covers shipping. Like Lionel's Baltimore and Ohio F-3, the stripes are a mixture of paint and decals. And also like the B&O F-3, the nose decal is what shows the most wear over time. I think they just dry out and begin to crack. The rest of the shell is nearly perfect. The frame and truck assemblies show very minor wear, and with just a little spray paint, the truck's side frames will look like new again. I've looked up prices for dummy frames on eBay, and it's hard to find a decent one for less than $40. And then you have to add shipping and sales tax. After the Trains.com discount, which is $10 off any purchase of 50 or more, this was a pretty good deal. It's a complete F-3 plus the original box, all for about $41 plus shipping and tax. Still a bargain, I think. Facebook Marketplace is where I found this Baltimore and Ohio passenger set from Williams, and when we went to pick it up, the seller had a few other items to get rid of as well. I'm a sucker for MTH passenger cars. I love the attention to detail. The graphics are always crisp and sharp, but what I like most are the full interiors. The original boxes are gone, but these are still in good shape overall. The grab rails are all present and accounted for. The door diaphragms are still flexible. The painted sides, including the stripes and the lettering, that's all nearly perfect. The only signs of age or wear that I could find are a few spots on the black rooftops of each car, and even those aren't too noticeable. The Nassau County car has a passageway on one side and individual rooms looking out the other, while the Greenville is a dining car complete with tables and chairs inside. What I didn't realize until making this video is that I have a pair of each instead of 4 different cars. I have 2 Greenvilles and 2 Nassau counties. So maybe I need to search for an observation or a Vistadome car to go with these. We told Santa Claus what we wanted when we were kids, so why not do the same with family when we're grown up? It was a really good Christmas this year. for a lot of reasons, and not just the gifts. But I do like these trains. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.